Hello everyone, this is Sundar Firdaus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about a special data type. None is a special data type used when there is no value. Let's understand with the help of the code. If I assign nothing means none to the variable x, now try to print it. What I will get here? Let's see. I am getting none. And if I want to know the type of it, of x variable, now let me remove the code and rerun it. So here its class name is NoneType. So this none is from none data type. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.